Hello! Recently I have made a review for this Betafpv Aquila setup, and I have found out that its remote does not work with PC based on AMD processor and don't work with simulator. And I have contacted Betafpv. They acknowledge that they are in progress of fixing it, and for now we got a workaround from Betafpv. To make this remote work with PC with a simulator based on AMD, we should downgrade its firmware. But there is one aspect. Previous firmware use previous version of Express LRS protocol, so modern firmware is ELRS3. Previous firmware is ELRS2, so we will need to downgrade ELRS firmware of this one. And apparently Betafpv told that we can use Express LRS configurator to update software of this receiver module. So let's try. So according to Betafpv support command, we may use for this element just common Betafpv all-in-one Express LRS flash image. So I suppose that here we've got the typical Betafpv all-in-one UART ELRS module. So this means that it should have a Wi-Fi as well. So let's check. We'll wait for a minute to activate Wi-Fi. And until it's activating, let's prepare the image. Select the previous version of Express LRS 2.5.2. And select the Betafpv and Betafpv all-in-one AEO 240 OORX. Done. Now select Wi-Fi. As we will use Wi-Fi, I hope we will be able to. And here specify ESM 240 because it's traditionally used for everyone. I don't know anyone who used ES one. And if you would like, you can use a pairing word. So if you specify pairing word on both drone and your remote control, then they will be bind automatically. But we follow the beginner's mode, so we keep it unset and we will bind by button press. Just keep in mind that we may use it for future. So, and here we press build. Everything else we remain without any changes. Okay, let's wait. Some time ago it was a long time to build, up to 10 minutes, but we'll check if it will build faster this time. Anyway, please be aware that it may take some time to build. Oh, no, it's not so long. So we've got two images. You will need the firmware. The one with exact name is not applicable. So we'll need to copy the path to this location, this one. Oh, how to copy it? Oh, here it is. And now we'll check Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, here it is, Express LRS RX. If you have previously joined this network, you should forget it and reconnect again. And connect and use password Express LRS, all small letters all together. Here it is. It's standard password for all Express LRS devices that has Wi-Fi. Please keep in mind that it has very small Wi-Fi antenna, so may move your device closer to your Wi-Fi. Okay, press here and it opens site 10.0.0.1. It is common Express LRS web interface, so great! It really has a very standard module. So we go to update, select here the path to our new image, select firmware and press update. And that's all about your drone. It should be updated already. Now we may disconnect the drone and let's go to work with our radio. And here we've got more complicated instruction. So we should take our transmitter and use Betafpv configurator 2.0.0 RC2 to flash it. So take it one, don't turn it on for now. You should press the button. One moment, I will recheck the instruction. So which button to press? Okay, yeah, here it is. You should press setup. Press and hold. And while you're holding the setup button, you should turn the radio on. Okay, it's turned on and you can now remove the screwdrivers from the setup button, and only now you can connect the radio. Here we go to Betafpv radio. You can see it's detected as STM device. If you don't have it, please install the drivers from link in description. Here we press connect, the left one button, and load firmware, select the file, also I will keep a link in description. It is firmware from Betafpv, and flash. Voila, this should be okay now. So let's check it. Turn it off. Strange sound. Okay. Turn it on again. Plug, I mean. And go to Betafpv configurator 1.0.0. I will keep a link. So now you can see it connects to configurator, finally. But as you can see, the values of channels, it's not accurate, so we will need to calibrate this radio. It's a common situation after flashing. Here you can see it is not the center. Oh, what's that? I don't need a bind phrase. Looks like it has picked up configuration from my old setup, but don't turn it on as we go without bind phrase. Okay, turn it off. Now to calibrate, turn it on. Take a screwdriver or whatever and press setup once. Now it's in calibration mode. You should center the sticks. You see it beeps 2 times. Now, without touching the sticks, press again until it's center. Okay, it remembered the center, and now move to each side and hold for 1-2 seconds in each position. And press setup again. Long beep, so now it should be calibrated. Let's check again. Turn it off, plug it into PC and go to Betafpv configurator. Yes, connect. I mean plug. Again move to radio control, connect, and yes, now you see it's all centered. That's what we was going to receive. And now bind and pair. Just turn on both of them. You see it flash with a green, blinks. Now press bind this button, it's button from top of FC, and this bind button. Okay, it has changed the color, so it's already bound. Let's check. And at this point I've got update from Betafpv support team. The Aquila receiver, just like any other common Express LRS device, use not a button for binding, but plug and unplug 3 times in a row. So, to switch it to the binding mode, we just make this. 1, 2, 3. You see it starts flashing with green. It means that it's in a binding mode. By the way, after updating of the firmware on the first run, it will also enter this binding mode by itself. And now turn on radio. And press bind. Okay, it's ready. Oh, we've got connection. And the last thing to check is to validate that it works with simmulator. Actually the goal that we was trying to reach. Go to first simulator and try to calibrate 1, 2, 3, and yeah, you can see it make a feedback, so we've got it working. Here it is. Wonderful. So as you can see, now it works with my simulator, exactly what I wanted to get and receive. And it was a very big surprise for me that this proprietary solution actually has absolutely common Express LRS receiver module, the same as all other Betafpv modern products have. So it's very cool. So have a good day, see you next time.